So, you have finally finished your character in a Blender or other program, loaded a morph, and everything seems to be fine. You may even have done a few renders. Until you saw her smile. Surely you had a simple question. What the fuck? I searched the whole internet until I found a solution. And I want to share it. Perhaps someone knows a simpler way. But I'm new to 3D modeling. So don't judge strictly. And so let's go. We will need to load another Genesis 8 or 8.1 basic female. Without any morphs. We need to match the teeth of our character with the teeth of Genesis 8 basic female. Later I will explain why this is necessary. Now we need to hide all surfaces except teeth from Genesis 8 basic female. In a Surfaces tab, select all except teeth and set cutout opacity to 0. Now we need to hide our character's teeth. Select teeth and mouth surfaces and set cutout opacity to 0. Now match our character with basic female teeth. Now we export our character to an OBJ file. Don't forget to hide everything except the character. And in a Parameters tab, set Mesh Resolution to base. Half the job is done. Now let's load our OBJ file as a morph. Add our new morph to your favorites. Later you will know why. Now we need the Geometry Editor tool. Right-click. Geometry Selection. Select by Surfaces. And select Mouth. Then Teeth. That's why it was necessary to add our morph to favorites. Now right-click. Morph Editing. Clear selected deltas from favorites. Now the teeth and mouth are excluded from our morph, and we match them because now the teeth are in the position of Genesis 8 basic female. And if we did not do this, they could be on the forehead, for example. It's not bad if you create creatures. Now she is genuinely smiling. Don't think I'm picky, but I like this smile better. So, we are almost finished. Now we need to restore the position of our character and save the fixed morph. Now, it only remains to save our corrected morph and make cool renders. You can't imagine how glad I was that I was able to fix it. I hope this video was useful for you. Good luck to you and awesome renders.